Welcome. Welcome to what I'll call the African Dream. Let me do a quick introduction and tell you a little about myself in case you do not know me. My name is Russell Avery, and I have a 20-year career in information technology. I've spent some time working with some of the largest organizations from the World Bank to PWC and Toyota, Nike. I've been a transformation consultant, helping large organizations with their agile journey as they become much more agile. Now that's my backstory. Built some fantastic software, including AI solutions. For example, within PWC. Now, after 20 years in technology, I recently lost my job. And this was, of course, because of the downsizing with technology and all of that. But the fun part is, there are two ways of looking at this. Either the glass half empty or the glass half full. I lost my job on Monday, which is about 3 days ago. I was told after 5 years with this fantastic job that my services were no longer needed, and AI basically has taken over some of the things that I typically would do. That's the long and short of it. Now, I took that in great strides and immediately went to something that I've been putting on the sides. This is what I've been doing on the side for about a year now, trying to really understand what it means to ethically mine in Africa. As we speak, I'm in Tanzania, and I'm currently looking for ways to really understand how to ethically mine for gold and copper in Africa. Tanzania, it has been, welcoming. I have used the opportunity to really understand a few things about mining over the past 1 year, and have participated in projects like this one, where I am currently, digging. By digging, basically, I'm excavating for ore, which is the material with which gold is made. Now, the journey that I'm going to be exposing you to really is about how do we ethically mine? What does it mean to mine ethically? How can we ensure that while we are trying to extract for precious minerals, critical minerals, we still protect the environment? We still ensure that the locals are compensated, they are involved, they are part of the process, the environment is protected. That's exactly what this story is going to be about. So over the next couple of days, weeks, months, possibly years, I'm going to be sharing my journey through understanding mining in Africa and contributing meaningfully to the ecosystem overall. So what you see here basically is my mining location. I'm currently mining, and subsequently I'll tell you more as we go. I'll tell you the journey, the struggles, the hassles, and everything in between. I'm super excited to have you on this journey. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.